Today, a 2,500-year-old Celtic mead. Today, a mead that's inspired by a tomb they inspect in 1999, and they find a big pot, 400 liter, with fermented honey and some other ingredients. So today we make a mead. After this recept, we build it by our own. But first, what happens there?
In 1999, archaeologists in Baden-Württemberg inspected a tomb from 2,500 years ago. The Tumulus 17 is part of a larger project titled A Landscape of Ancestors. There are a lot of tombs of Celtic warriors. This tomb was dated 450 BC. They found weapons and personal artifacts, so they're really sure it's a man. Also, they found a big pot. In this pot was around 20-liter fermented liquid based on honey. An analysis of this liquid shows that it was flavored with mint and meadery.
Okay, you see this tomb was in Baden-Württemberg, and now I'm living in Baden-Württemberg, so we have some things we can use that also can use 2,500 years ago. We have peppermint here from the garden. It's good peppermint from Baden-Württemberg. We have the good honey we get from the beekeeper here. It's forest honey. And I have some meadery here. It's dried. That's really flowery. I never had it before. But this is from Bavaria. But I think it's close enough. So, and then we already can start. What we always will use is our base. This is 1 liter water with dead bread yeast. I just cook it. So our wine yeast later have some nutrients. So that's the base. And I think now we make a tea. Okay, I have here now the peppermint and there the meadery. So let's just put some water inside. Smells interesting. But I also wanted to put some meadery extra in the meat. So just put it already in our fermenter. Good. This one need to wait a little. In the time we can put our forest honey already in the container we use for mixing. I hope it's enough because I decided to make 5 liter in my new 5 liter fermenter. So here, this is the honey. Okay, I hope the sound today is good because I use my new microphone. We will see. I still need to try where to put it, but I hope that's okay. It's really nice honey, but it's crystallized completely. The beekeeper said before it have too much water inside. I don't think so, but he's an expert. But it's perfectly for making mead. And every one glass just cost me €2. I'm a little bit sad that I don't buy more, but it's okay. Because why I'm sad? Because this one are the last glass. Then I use everything I think we buy 12 glasses. I tell already once. And oh, the Mead sweet is really nice in the smell. And the peppermint also. Fresh peppermint is really good. Too bad it didn't grow so well here. I need to try next year again. In Berlin I had Moroccan peppermint. And this one grows like, I don't know. In German we say grows like Unkraut, but I don't know the English. So this one is also empty. Now we wait a little bit until the tea is done. Okay, this is a Mead sweet. These cups are not for pouring, I think. One is empty. Okay, the peppermint. The same. Or I'm just bad in pouring. I want also some peppermint inside. I really need to clean it here. I have 1 more liter more water. And then we will mix it. I already mixed it. It's a little bit foamy and the honey is in the liquid. Now came the dangerous part. I need to pour it. And why dangerous? Because I can make a big mess. Let's try. Okay, not so bad. We still have space. I have now 2 liter water, 1 kilo of honey, around 1 kilo. And I want to put 1 liter more water. Then we will mix again a little bit, just like this. And after this, we will check the gravity. That's why I have this one here. For this I will pour a little bit in the other container and then back again. Okay, let's wait until I filter the other water and then we can continue. Why I need to filter my water? Because here they use a lot of chlorine and more than in Berlin. In Berlin I always use just the tap water directly in the fermentation. Here I need to filter. I don't know if it's the house or the small city where I live, but here the water is not drinkable when it came out of the tap, when it's tap water. I don't know why. Okay, now we can try to get all the foam here. Okay, let's see what gravity we have. Yeah, it's 1.0814. Okay, 1.084. That's good. That means we are around 10 to 11%. We will use the table wine yeast. It's a 12% yeast. So we're good with the 11%. Write in the comments what I do. Okay. I'm pretty sure it will become completely dry, so we will need to be back treated. I don't know which honey I will use. We will try first, then we will see. Maybe I will use again a local honey. But now it's ready. That means our airlock and cheap vodka. Done. That's easy. Now I need to wait until it stops. This was for today. Next week we fly to the Philippines. I don't know if I have a video there, but we will make videos from the Philippines. And this nice brew need to wait. When we come back from the Philippines, I'm sure it's done because we are 6 weeks there. And yes, here are 2 more videos. One YouTube thing you like, the other one is my last video. And of course, here in the middle you can subscribe. And please write in the comments. We'll see you the next time. Bye.